Hello everybody, I'm the film and media executive here at People Vision. My name is Nabil Talsi and I'll be giving you 5 steps on how to build resilience in challenging times. The COVID-19 pandemic will go down in history and historians will use a wide variety of colorful language to depict it, but one word that without question describes the last 24 months is challenging. Despite the emergence of vaccines, the pandemic isn't over yet. Therefore, it's important to develop this resilience to these challenges so that we can not only survive them, but thrive in them. Well, we at People Vision have put together this guide on exactly how you can do that. Number 1, vision. Vision is a rather abstract concept, but in this case, it refers to our goals in life and ultimately what we want for our lives. These can be both short-term and long-term, as well as both work-related and domestic. Well, there are many ways to determine your aims, but we at People Vision have found that SMART objectives are a fantastic tool. SMART stands for specific, outline in a clear statement precisely what is required. Measurable, include a measure to enable organizations to monitor progress and to know when the objectives have been achieved. Achievable, designed objectives to be challenging but ensure that failure is not built into objectives. Objectives should be agreed by managers and employees to ensure commitment to them. Realistic, focus on outcomes rather than the means of achieving them. Time-bound, agree the date and time of which the outcome must be achieved. Step number 2, composure. When we're faced with setbacks or unforeseen obstacles, our well-being can deteriorate significantly, and as a result, our judgment can become skewed and our minds consumed by negative thought patterns. Therefore, it's critical that we avoid this downward spiral, but how? Practice noticing how identifying and changing negative thinking can alter the way that you react to challenging situations. Other useful methods for regaining your composure are breathing techniques. If you want to know more about this, make sure that you check out our website at www.pvhr.com. Number 3, reasoning. Some problems we can see coming, but many more catch us as unaware. When this happens, it's important that we make the most of our reasoning and find effective solutions using the resources readily available to us. There are 3 areas to consider. Number 1 is problem solving, being open to finding alternative solutions to situations or problems. Number 2, being resourceful and being able to find a variety of ways to overcome difficulties, anticipate and plan. Being aware of alternative ways to manage and having a range of options prepared ahead of time where possible. Number 4, health. Be it mental or physical, it is always important and your own personal well-being should always come first. In the hustle and bustle of the working life, we can often forget this most basic fact. We're not machines, but human beings who need to be looked after. Number 5, collaboration and relationships. Unfortunately, we're not the only ones who can impact our personal well-being. Friends, family, colleagues, and strangers, they all have a significant effect on how we both feel physically and mentally. Therefore, it's important that we maintain positive relationships with these people in our lives. Help them so that they help us out. So there you have it, the 5 steps on how to build resilience during challenging times. We hope these help. And if you like this guide, make sure that you check out our other videos in our PVHR how-to guides playlist. And make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, check out our latest podcast up on Spotify, Spreaker, SoundCloud, you name it, it's there. Do be sure to check out our website, once again, www.pvhr.com, to check out the rest of our content. We'll see you in the next video.